Teacher. Today's topic is degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. There are three types of degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So today's session is degrees of comparison. What is an adjective? Already I explained you before class. It changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with the another. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with the another. It is called degree of comparison of an adjective. So it compares one noun with the another noun. So it is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. I told you that there are three types of degrees of comparison. There are three degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. There are three types of degrees. There are three degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, the comparative, and superlative degree. What is meant by positive degree? It is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. A positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. Here we are not comparing with the other children. See here one example. She has a big house. We are not comparing with any other. What is meant by comparative degree? The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. Here we are comparing the degree of adjective to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people, or places. Here comparative, in the name itself it is telling that we are going to compare. We are going to compare two objects, people, or places. See here, her house is bigger than my house. See here, I am using a bigger than my house. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. The third type of degree of comparison is superlative. It refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. The superlative degree, the third type of degree, it refers to greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. See here, his house is the biggest of all. Here three houses are there. Out of these three houses, what is the biggest house? Yes. It is called a superlative degree of comparison, children. Yes. We add ER and EST to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. We add ER and EST to most one or two syllables which end in consonants. Here I am giving some examples of the children where we are going to add a ER and EST to one or two syllable words. Just like see positive degree DULL, dull. Positive degree, we are adding a ER, duller. Comparative degree, duller. Superlative degree, EST I am adding, dullest. So here positive degree, dull, duller, dullest. When the positive ends in E, we add only R and ST to the adjective. We add E and R. When the words end with a C positive degree E, the last ends with E. Comparative degree ER. Larger. Superlative largest. See the pictures also clearly, children. Positive comparative superlative. Large, larger, largest. When the positive degree ends in consonant Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. When the positive degree ends with Y, we drop Y and we are going to add IER and IEST. See here, when we are adding we are cutting Y, we are dropping Y means we are removing Y. For example, positive degree lucky, 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 Y we are dropping out and we are adding a luckier. Superlative luckiest, LUCKIER, luckier, luckiest. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel and consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. You see clearly, children. When the positive word is a one syllable and when it is adding with vowel and consonant, we double the ending consonant and we add ER and EST. I will give some more examples, children, for your clear understanding. Very easy. We are adding ER and EST. For example, positive degree red. The balloon is red. R-E-D. E-D. What we are adding? Double. We are doubling the consonant by adding ER and EST. Redder, reddest. Red, redder, reddest. So we are doubling. When the positive is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degrees. When the positive is long, then we are adding more and most before the adjective to form the comparative and superlative degrees. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. In that way, we are adding more and most before the adjectives to form comparative and superlative degrees. Do you catch my point, children? I am giving some examples. Positive degree, for example, useful. What we are comparing? A more useful. Comparative degree, more useful. Superlative, most useful. We are adding more and most to the comparative and superlative degrees before the adjectives. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison, children. They do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. So, I am going to explain you with some more examples like these examples, children. So, these are the adjectives which do not have any comparison. We call them as irregular degrees of comparison. Just for example, you see good, better, best. Good, better, best. We are not forming any, we are not comparing here. Good, better, best. We use than with a comparative degree. Use the with a superlative degree. We use than with a comparative degree. The with a superlative degree. For example, Mohan is shorter than Ricky. Mohan is shorter than Ricky. Shorter. Here it is the comparing. We are comparing that. Yes. Falguni is the shortest girl in her class. Thank you, children. I think so you understood clearly.